Bamford Rose, and this is a spotlight on one of our project cars that we've been working on this week. This is a 4.3 V8 Vantage. It's 2008. It's one of the last 4.3s before it turned into 4.7. This particular car, it's been in for routine servicing. We've refreshed the wheels to give them a real nice paint finish, which we think better goes with the exterior paint colour. It's had our exhaust manifolds and catalysts, which transform power from 380 to about 430 bhp, lightweight flywheel twin plate clutch, and the electronic adaptive suspension system. Okay, so before you even start this car, as you press the clutch pedal to enable engine start, you can feel how light this pedal is, and that's one of the best things about this clutch upgrade. The modulation of the clutch pedal, the ability to sense where the bite point is and then feed in some engine revs and pull away smoothly is fantastic. The standard clutch pedal, even if the clutch wasn't worn, feels wooden, very difficult to gauge where that bite point is, and it doesn't give a smooth pull away. It's very difficult to get a smooth pull away. As soon as you jump in the seat of an upgraded car, it's one of the things that brings a smile to your face, how light that clutch pedal is, and even before you start, you know you're going to have a good drive. This 4.3 has got the exhaust manifold and catalyst upgrade kit on, and this is what I really like about this kit on a 4.3. The urgency that it gives the engine really does bridge the gap of a 4.3 to a 4.7, and I'm only doing a half throttle tip in now, and now the 4.3, where previously it felt quite wheezy, it doesn't really want to accelerate, this has now got urgency even if you give it a half throttle pedal press. And if you're thinking of trading your 4.3 in for a 4.7 because you want a more spirited drive, this is what's really good about that exhaust system upgrade. It does totally bridge the gap between the 4.3 and the 4.7. Okay, so tying those upgrades together of great engine upgrade, great clutch, flywheel, gearbox upgrade, is how composed the chassis is with this suspension upgrade. So we've got Bilstein electronic dampers with a control system. As you've seen, the button default on ignition on is soft mode, and when you press the button, the little red LED light lights up, and that is stiff mode. In soft mode, instead of the crashy yet lots of body roll, and we call it the pogo, this is where going around say 70 mile an hour left-hander, and halfway round the corner, the back and the front end of the car just wants to pogo round. Now on the upgraded suspension, in soft mode we have real magic carpet ride, smooth damping, the body feels comfortable, I'm not getting jarred around at all, there's no body roll even though it's very comfortable, it's just lost all of that crashiness. And then in soft mode, when we tip into a corner, even high speed, now because it's soft, there's going to be a bit of body movement, but personally I prefer that in a car. I like to get a bit of feedback, and when you tip in, take the corner, it's all very predictable, it's composed, it's smooth, and if you wanted that extra hard-edged handling, you can pop it into stiff mode, and the turn in is even sharper arc, not a hint of body roll. We changed the anti-roll bar settings and geometry to give a little bit of high speed rear end oversteer, just to get that front tucked in. It really does transform an old 4.3 into a really sharp handling car, and as I say, tie those mods in together with the power and gearbox interaction, and now what is approaching 15-year-old 4.3 V8 just feels very current, very new, and very focused driver's machine. And one thing that never fails to bring a smile to your face is the sound of that exhaust note as you take the car through the gears. It's music. You don't need a stereo.